Hey everyone, retire on dividends here. Merry Christmas, everyone. This will be a nice quick video because people, I know you guys have a lot better things to do. And you should be spending the time with your friends and your family. So that being said, I just wanted to say thank you for the ongoing support all year and all the previous years and all the years before that, joining me on the live streams, watching my videos, whether they're good, whether they're bad. A lot of you, you just stick through the good and the bad. And I wouldn't be here without you. Who would have thought a scrub like me would have 36,000 subscribers? I know it's ridiculous. Sorry for the Discord noises, but um, I mean, again, I was struggling in the beginning to even get 500 subscribers. So I'm grateful for every single individual subscriber that is still a part of my channel. And even one of the ones that left, it's all good. They were all part of the journey. So yeah, just a quick thank you. I'm so grateful for where I am. You know, do I deserve to be? I don't know. I'm just another Joe Schmo, just making a random YouTube channel, talking about investing, talking about options, talking about ETFs. And I got lucky and it clicked with people. It worked out, maybe right place, right time, but I'm here to stay. But I just wanted to take a moment just to say, thank you all. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, happy New Year. Again, short video. I'm not doing anything crazy. Again, you guys have better things to do. I do understand it. Plus, I honestly couldn't think of anything good to do. And plus, the whole family's about to be home any minute now. So it's about to be chaos, as most people know. But again, it's another year, successful year, really good year. And just want to say thank you all for watching. I do appreciate all of you. Anyway, go spend some time. Go finish that cup of coffee, and we'll talk tomorrow. All right, we'll get back to it. But obviously, I'm pre-recording this. But Merry Christmas, everyone. Later.